welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a makeup starter kit for you guys. Most of the stuff is pretty much from the drugstore section because I figured I'd go the cheaper end and it's just easier for you guys to start out with. So I have done this video I think like about 2 years ago. I realized on this channel and I figured I need to give you guys an updated one and tell you guys what I've been loving from the drugstore lately, and that what you guys should definitely go check out and where to start. So I just have this bag from Ipsy. Again, if you guys want to start with makeup, I really recommend subscribing to Ipsy. You'll get a lot of little tiny samples and you can figure out what you like and what you don't like. For makeup wise and like high-end and drugstore, they give you a big variety of samples. So the first thing I see from the face section, which I definitely recommend for anybody who's starting out. I wouldn't recommend anything high, anything crazy for your face for a foundation because you really don't want to get cakey. I really recommend the Maybelline BB Cream. I did recommend this in the first video and I just love it. It's literally my favorite. It has SPF 30. It's great. It's very lightweight on your skin. I am wearing it right now as my foundation. I love it for the summer and just for all year round. If you don't want anything heavy, I highly recommend this foundation because it is great. It's really not that expensive. Next in the face category, you guys know I just did a review on this. This is a new e.l.f. 16 Hour Camo Concealer. This is great for starters. It is kind of drying and kind of heavy, but if you want that brightening skin in the summer and if you want something that will last all day, because you don't know how you're going to be with makeup, so this will definitely last you all day. So I highly recommend this, or something from e.l.f. They're like any of their brand, any of their stuff from e.l.f. I highly recommend to start because it's very cheap and this is like $5. And if you don't like it, you can just throw it away. It's $5. So next we're going to go on to powder. Not everybody uses setting powder. Everybody uses different setting powder. I use a powder. Some people use loose powders. This is the Maybelline Fit Me. I highly recommend this. It really just gives you a nice set for your face. As you guys can see, I am at the tin. So I use it a lot. I just use a big fluffy brush from e.l.f. which again is like $3. So yeah, I highly recommend this. This is the color Porcelain. It is a pressed powder and it just sets your makeup. So after you put your foundation and concealer on, you put this on. Next we're going to go on to blush. So this is one of my favorite blushes. This is the Balm Springs. I'm not wearing it now, but I normally do. This is from the Balm. You can get the Balm I think at like Walgreens. Most Walgreens and like Twain Reeds if you have them. If not, you can get like an e.l.f. one, which is definitely really great, which is where I started. I started a lot of my makeup in e.l.f. So if you guys want more like e.l.f. products in the future, let me know. So this is just a sample one from the Balm that I got in Ipsy, but still it's great. This is just a nice color blush for any time of the year, and it's really, their brand is a little more expensive, but if you do want a blush to last for a long time, I highly recommend the Balm. And all their products are really awesome now they're at the drugstore. I'm going to talk about highlighter. I highly recommend Colourpop Highlighter. And my Colourpop Highlighter, this is a cream highlighter. It is great for all year round. And it's only $5 at Ulta. I know Ulta is hard, but sometimes you can get it online, which is where I got it. But if you don't want to get Colourpop, there's always like Wet n Wild, which is awesome, pretty great for a highlighter. Now we're gonna go onto the eyes, and first is mascara. This is the Volume Luminous Food by L'Oreal mascara. It's really great. I am wearing it right now on my lashes, and I always recommend like L'Oreal, NYX mascara, anything like that. It's great. Any Maybelline mascara is awesome, pretty great. I definitely recommend the Rocket one, which is awesome. I love that one. That is my all-time favorite one. So, but I have this one right now. So yeah, this is pretty big size and it's L'Oreal, and I highly recommend any L'Oreal product. Lastly, with the eyes, these are two eyeshadow palettes. First one is the Revlon Color Stay Original eyeshadow palette. It looks just like this. These have very multicolored, sparkly, and just very natural looking, which is great for a starter palette. And it's just very small and compact. It has lots of color, which I always recommend is to go natural. For if you're starting for your eyeshadow, I do not recommend to go anything crazy because you don't know if you're gonna like that, and natural always looks best on everyone. And another eyeshadow palette is this Gigi Hattie Maybelline. Maybelline eyeshadow palettes are really awesome too. They're pretty affordable. You can also get them at like TJ Maxx. You can find a lot of eyeshadow palettes there. So this just has a multicolored, more shimmery if you're looking for that. So this is more shimmery if you're looking for more of that. This is more of a natural one. These just has like a purple and a pink, just to give you a little pop, which is always nice. If you do want to give yourself a little pop, I would do like a pink, nothing too crazy, or like a purple, which is nothing too crazy because it's still very natural and very simple for your eyes. And lastly is lips, of course. So these again are two different lipsticks. I am more of a berry type. I also really recommend getting a very neutral lipstick, like a very gloss, which you can get from NYX, because those are pretty great for a basic drugstore starter kit or any just basic kit. Definitely start natural and then work your way up. So this is Maybelline Matte in Brown Blush. So it just looks like this. This is a more fall color. Both of these are more fall, but I just wear these all year round. So that's very pretty. And then this is from CoverGirl, and it just looks like this. It is a more metallic-y, sparkly one if you guys want to go for that. And this is their new color, Can't Stop Metallic. This is Katy Perry, and then is Maybelline. So yeah, that is what I recommend. And lipsticks is these two brands. Highly recommend. Not the colors if you guys don't like these colors, but you can get them, but I do recommend getting a very natural looking lip color, just to start very light, because I don't know. My basic starter makeup kit. I hope you guys like this. Do give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below for more of these types of videos, because I'll definitely be doing more of these in the future with other brands and other products. So if you guys liked it, let me know down below. And yeah, so I will see you guys in another Sunday video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.